What's going on, internet? Mikey VA Trading here with another unboxing video. Today we're going through our ARW general merchandise loads. Now these are priced at a flat price per load. They're in clean customer condition and they are not manifested. So what we're going to show you what you can expect to receive in a raw load. Let the camera follow us. And afterwards we're going to bring some of these items down and boxes down. We're going to open them up and see what we can find. But before we go anywhere, the first person to comment below and let us know what Bob is going to receive a discount coupon in their inbox. So comment below, let us know what Bob is, and we'll take care of the rest. Alright, so now as I said, we're going to go through this. We're going to bring a bunch down on the floor, speed it up a bit for you guys, and then we're going to open it up together and see what we can find. So hang tight, let's get to it. So there you have it. This is a bunch of boxes. Probably not even a fifth of what you can find in an entire 26 pallet load, but it's going to give you a better understanding of what you can expect to receive because majority of it is brown boxed. It's hard to see from the outside, so we're going to look inside. Let's take a look at what we can find. So first things first, got a stool. As we said, these are in customer return condition, but they've known to be in clean condition. Clean meaning majority of it in its original packaging. So you've got a beanbag. So I saw here we've got a suitcase, and the suitcase looks brand new. It was heavier than an empty suitcase, so it's got its little brothers and sisters. So the whole set is there, but I did see one issue when I tried to put it up. It's the wheel. So we've got here shelving, again original packaging, doesn't seem to have ever been opened. Slip inside. Obviously opened, but still has the packaging there. Now whether there's a hole in it, whether it's used, we're not gonna know. You buy this load, you let me know. But here, going back to clean, look at these. Kids' baby clothing, still with the hangers, still with the tags. Plastic containers. So obviously you've got something like this. Never been used because still got its packaging there. That's still strapped on. Huggies diapers. Hope these haven't been used. But there you go. Brand new, unopened. Canopy. Open it up and see if we can. Electronic accessories. You've got USB chargers, Fitbits, cell phone cases, GoPro holders, or GoPole for your GoPros. So as you can see, all in its original packaging. So these are considered customer returns, but you'll see the clearance stickers, means it never left the store. So more summer toys. Got a unicorn pool. So looks like it's been opened, but still intact. Paper towels. Just like the diapers, those are going to be really good sellers. More electronic accessories here. No tape. Highly doubt it's ever been opened. So the other ones were questionable because of the tape. I don't think there's any question here. Prove me wrong. Nope. Just like we said on the other ones, you can still see the plastic. So vacuum accessories. More of everything in here. So you've got curtains, you've got bathing suits, shorts, a bunch of different clothing, picture frames, scrubber, kids' pajamas. Got more clothing in here. Again, just showing you the condition. With tag, skirt. Probably close to a shelf pull than a customer return. Let's go through some of the actual boxes that we didn't bring down, just so we can see a little bit more in here. So this is one filled with bedding. You've got mattress toppers, you've got pillows, you've got velvet quilts, comforters in here. So for you can tell, majority original packaging, doesn't seem to have been opened. Goes back to the cleanliness. What do we have here? It's gonna be wall decor. Again, original packaging. Baby toys over here. Swimming pools, mirrors. That's got to be knocked down furniture. Got a mini fridge over here. So there you have it. I hope that gives you a better idea of what you can expect to receive in an ARW general merchandise load. Now, as I said, there's a wide variety in here. We haven't even cracked the surface. So this load actually consists of this entire row, the entire row behind it, and a few pallets on the racks up top. So as you can tell, we've maybe taken out, what, 3 pallets total, I'd say. But you saw all the merchandise we found. We found a bunch of kids items, cleaning supplies, decor, electronic accessories, vacuum accessories. There was coolers, there was swimming pools. There was a bunch of merchandise in here. All right, so remember, ARW general merchandise loads. These are clean customer returns. They're priced at a flat price per load and they're not manifested. Check them out on our website. Comment below. If you've got any questions, put those below as well. And remember, we need to know what Bob is. If you're the first one to comment on Bob, we'll send you a discount coupon on your next order. All right, guys, see you next time.